bought Rhododendron MADAME MASSON for our garden. This is already a pretty large plant, perfect for the impatient gardener. It is hardy to USDA Zone 5B. We start by digging our hole. The soil must be well drained, acidic, rich in humus, cool, and always moist. The roots are shallow, spreading to sides in search for nutrients. Never plant them too deep. Ideal soil mixture is peat with lime-free, light garden soil topped with leaf mold. Madame Masson is a queen of elegance from 1849. This large-flowered rhododendron boasts 6 to 7 centimeters wide. Pure white flowers, with pale yellow to medium amber orange dotting on the upper petal. They open from pink buds from the second decade of May. Evergreen leaves are leathery, broadly elliptic with conspicuous tips, 10 to 13 centimeters long, deep green, and partially glossy. The plant grows moderately into a dense, well-branched shrub about 1.8 meters tall and wide.